Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to flip or rotate desktop screen of any Windows computer. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So here I will show two methods. First method I'll be showing using computer keyboard shortcuts, and the second method I'll be showing using Windows setting options. So let's begin with the first step. So on your computer keyboard, what you need to press is Ctrl Alt, and to rotate on the right directions you need to press the right arrow button, which you can see on your computer keyboard. So when you press on the right Ctrl Alt and right button, it will rotate to the right directions, and if you press the Ctrl Alt left button, then it will rotate to the left directions. Similarly, if you press the Ctrl Alt up button, then it will move to the or rotate to the right up directions, and if you press Ctrl Alt and down arrow, then it will move to the down directions. So in this way, using a computer keyboard shortcuts, that is Ctrl Alt up, down, right and left arrow buttons, you can just simply rotate or flip desktop screens of any Windows computer using your computer keyboard. So this is the first step. So let's jump to the second step. Now for the second step, if you're using a Windows 10, then what you need to do, just move your cursor to the start. Now you can see your settings option, just click on it. Now under the setting options you can see your system, just click on it. So here you can see your display on the left panel, just click on it. Now on the right panel, just scroll down and you will see here display orientations like landscape, portrait, landscape flip. So if you select the landscape flip, then it will rotate to the downward directions, as you can see here, and you will get a message here. If you want to keep changes, then you can select the keep changes. If you want to revert, then select the revert option. So similarly in the portrait mode, if you want to portrait, just select the portrait. So you can see in a portrait mode it will be just rotate or flip the screen. So if you don't want, then you can just click on the revert. So in this way, using these two methods, you can just flip or rotate desktop screens of any Windows computer. Sometimes what happens when you press some keys like Ctrl Alt and you press up and down, but suddenly you are not aware of what you were pressing, and suddenly your desktop screen gets rotated and you suddenly shock, what happened? My desktop screen suddenly gets rotated. Now how to fix it? So you will be searching here and there how to fix it. So it's very useful if you know this from before, then you will never have a problem or have a tensions about this kind of rotating or flip desktop screens in your Windows computer. So try to learn and try to know this useful tricks. I'm sure it will gonna help you in your future days. So if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.